The Jeep Recon is a bold step into the future for a brand known for its rugged legacy. Designed from the ground up as a fully electric SUV, the Recon blends Jeep's legendary off-road capability with modern innovation and sustainable performance. Inspired by the iconic Wrangler, the Recon carries forward the spirit of adventure. Its boxy silhouette, open-air design, and removable doors and roof make it instantly recognizable as a true Jeep. But beneath the classic styling lies a cutting-edge electric platform engineered for serious off-road exploration. With its electric drivetrain, the Recon delivers instant torque, making it highly capable on challenging terrain. Equipped with advanced 4x4 systems, locking differentials, and off-road tuned suspension, the Recon isn't just made for city streets, it's built for the trail. Whether it's crawling over rocks, navigating deep mud, or charging through sand, this EV is ready for any adventure. Inside, the Jeep Recon features a high-tech, adventure-ready cabin. Durable materials meet smart design, offering a space that's both practical and comfortable. The digital dashboard and large infotainment screen provide all the vital information, while trail maps and off-road data systems ensure you're always ready to explore the unknown. The Recon also emphasizes sustainability without compromising performance. With impressive range, fast charging capabilities, and zero emissions, it's a vehicle for those who want to protect the planet while conquering it. This isn't just an electric SUV, it's a new chapter in Jeep's legendary story. The Recon proves that you don't have to sacrifice capability for innovation. It's rugged, it's electric, and it's unapologetically Jeep.